Okay, this is what we're going to be tying today. It's a flat braid. I'm going to end up making a belt out of it, but I haven't done that yet. It's tied with 10 strands, which is made up of 5 doubled strands. So they're all folded at the middle here, which leaves you with 10 working strands. Those strands are broken down into 4 doubles. So these ones are all tied as pairs. And then 2 single strands which run down the middle of the piece. Each side is different. This side, the single strands make a cross, which is quite a nice pattern. And on the other side, which is also quite nice, they run as parallel pieces. The beginning here is called an Australian flat braid. It's a good way to start a braid. It can only be tied with even numbers though, but it's a good way to start a braid from this end so you don't have straggly ends at the tail of your belt. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so this is the setup. You have 4 strands all running parallel, and that's therefore centered strands, so this is the middle of them. And you have a single strand, which you just go, and this is also the middle. So you go over the first 2, under the second 2, come back over that top 2, and then under, and then just cross them over. Pull it up tight. So your beginning should look like that. These ones you're going to work as pairs, so they always stay pairs. This one you're going to work as single. Put it up nice and tight. Now this top one goes under, over. And on the left side, the top one goes over, under, over. Did I say over under here? I might have. Obviously it's under over, and this one is over, under, over. So it's this one was the one we're working with. Goes over those 2, under that single, and over the 2 that we just tied from the other side. Pull it up nice and tight. Okay, at this point I put it in a clamp because it's easier to work in a clamp, so I'll do that and then come back to you. Okay, back again. So I've clamped this to the desk. We've just done the outside paired cords. We then do the inside single cords. So that goes over, and this single goes under, and then over its single mate. Pull that up tight. So the single cords never reach the outside. So then we start with these again. Go under those 2 and over the single. The outside ones go over that double, under the single, and over that double. Just tighten everything up as you go. So we've done the outsides, so then we do the insides again. I call these centre ones the single strands, the insides, because they never get to the outside. So just tee them up, just pull that a bit tighter. Okay, start from the outsides again. So the outside one goes under and then over the single. And then this side goes over, under, over. So that's basically your pattern. You just keep doing that. Keep doing it nice and tightly. If yours doesn't look the same, this one has these parallel singles. If yours has a single with a single cross in it, then you're doing it upside down. It doesn't matter. If I turn this over, it'll be what you're seeing. And that all depends on how you start up here, whether it's an over to start with or an under to start with. But don't worry about it. If it looks different, just have a look at the other side. It'll look the same on the other side. Okay, I'll carry on a bit more than this, and I'll talk you through the pattern. Okay, so here we are finished. The only thing to watch out for is these single pieces that run down the center of the piece. Don't let them get to the outside. If you carry on braiding as you normally would, they'll end up on the outside. So you basically, every time you cross over two sets of pairs, you then do a single, and then the other two sets of pairs, and then a single again. So you do a single every time you cross over the pairs. If you find the singles are on the outside, then you've gone too far. Just go back a bit and fix it up. That's pretty much it. Hope you've enjoyed that, and hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see more of these. Cheers.